and welcome back. Today, we're going to get creative by making custom DIY packing paper using only 4 tools, which are Canva design, a printer, tracing paper, and a paper trimmer. Let's jump into it. I have Canva open. I'm going to customize the size of the page that I need. The tracing paper that I have is 9 inches by 12 inches. I'm going to go over here to where it says customize size, and I'm going to change the measurement to inches, and I'm going to put in 8.5 by 12. The reason I'm putting in 8.5 is because that is the maximum width that my printer would take. Okay, so now I'm going to click on create new design. I'm going to hide this panel. Now I'm going to go over to uploads. If you don't have any images uploaded, you could create an image in here, or you can actually upload your image here where it says upload media. I'm going to click on my image, close this panel, and now I'm going to resize my image to 1.5 by 0.4. I'm going to move it up towards the top, and you can place this diagonally, vertically, horizontally, but I'm going to have mine horizontally. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy and paste this image 3 more times. And I want to have 1 row here. Okay, so once I have this first row, I'm going to select each image. I want to go over to position, and I want to space them evenly. Okay, so they're spaced evenly now. And now I want to group them together. Okay, now they are one. I want to go over and just make sure that it is centered. Okay, so it is centered. I want a second row here, but I want this second row to be staggered. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste, and I'm going to drag this down to about here. And now I'm going to ungroup, and I'm going to remove 1 image, and then I'm going to select the remaining images, and I'm going to group. I'm going to go over to position, and I'm going to center. This is the layout that I want. Now ungroup this row and also ungroup this row, and I want to group both rows together. So I'll just select all and then group. And now what I can do is I can copy this, and then I can paste it. And I will paste it again to the bottom. And I'll paste it. And paste it one last time. Now ungroup each section. And I'm going to go back and highlight everything, or select all, and then I'm going to group it all together. And as you can see, it's not centered, so I'm going to go over to position, and I'm going to center it. And now everything's centered. done with this portion. So the only thing that's left to do is, as far as Canva goes, is to just download this. And I download this as a PNG file because it is an image. And then I'll download it. Okay, and this is my downloaded file. What I'm going to do is get my tracing paper ready. This is the tracing paper that I'm using. It is the Masters Touch Fine Art Studio. It is 9 inches by 12 inches. It has 50 sheets and it's 30 pounds. I'm going to remove one sheet. And as you can see, it's translucent. Okay, here it is. Take a ½ inch off. Okay, and now we're going to take this over to the printer. I'm going to remove the paper. I'm going to add the tracing paper. So before I print, I'm going to go to File and then Print. And then I'm going to go to Quality. I'm going to leave it on matte photo paper, feeding it from the rear tray. And I'm going to set this to high print quality. And now I'm going to hit print. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared with you today, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe.